Here is another example. If minus 1 is one of the roots of 2x squared plus kx minus 5 equal to 0, we have to find k. Solution. The first thing, let's rewrite the equation. We are given 2x squared plus kx minus 5 equal to 0. And we're also given one of the roots as minus 1. So to find k, we substitute x as minus 1 in this equation. So substitute x equal to minus 1 in the equation. So we have 2 into minus 1 raised to the power of 2 plus k into minus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. Now here we have 2 into minus 1 raised to the power of 2. Now minus 1 raised to the power of 2 here means minus 1 times minus 1. So we do minus times minus plus 1 times 1, 1. So we have 1. And 2 times 1 here, 2. K into minus 1. We have plus k into minus 1. Plus times minus minus k times 1, 1k, which is as k. So we have minus k. Then here we have minus 5 equal to 0. So here we have 2 minus 5. That gives us minus 3. Minus k minus 3 equal to 0. Here we have to bring minus 3 to the other side. So we have minus k equal to minus 3. When it comes to this side, it becomes 3. But we are looking for k and not minus k. So to do that, to get k, we need to multiply both sides by minus 1. So multiply. So we have minus 1 times minus k equals 3 times minus 1. Minus times minus plus 1 times k, 1k, which is the same thing as just having k equal to 3 times minus 1 minus 3. And that gives us the value for our k. So therefore, the equation is 2x squared plus k. Now our k is already minus 3. We have minus 3x, then minus 5 equal to 0. Thank you.